Secrets of Millionaire Real Estate Investors. Wealth Creation Unveiled. Let's embark on a journey into the captivating world of real estate investment with a singular purpose: to uncover the secrets of creating lasting wealth. This voyage is rich with possibilities, laden with its own set of challenges, and above all, it holds the promise of substantial financial growth. Real estate investment is a pathway to financial prosperity, a realm where astute decision-making can lead to the accumulation of wealth that endures the test of time. Our exploration will take us deep into the strategies, tactics and principles that successful investors have harnessed to build and preserve their financial legacy. Together, we'll navigate the complex landscape, uncovering the insights and knowledge that will empower you to seize opportunities and carve your own path to financial success. Number 1. Importance of real estate as an investment. It's a powerful wealth-building strategy. It's like a resilient heavyweight boxer that gets back up after a few punches. Diversifying your investment portfolio with real estate reduces overall risk and adds a layer of stability. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate gives you something you can see, touch and even live in. It's a tangible asset that provides a sense of security and pride. Not to mention, it can generate multiple income streams. Beyond property appreciation, rental income flows into your pockets, offering you a steady cash flow, serving as a formidable hedge against inflation, and growing faster than the cost of living. 2. Setting financial goals. It all commences with the establishment of clear financial goals and objectives. Define them, and be specific about what you want to achieve, whether it's building wealth for retirement or generating passive income. Next, consider your investment horizon. Are you in it for the long haul or seeking short-term gains? Ensure your goals align with your investment timeline. With your objectives in place, create a roadmap on how to achieve them, enabling you to stay focused and motivated as you venture into the world of real estate investment. Be mindful that your goals may evolve over time, which is perfectly fine. Flexibility is key, allowing you to adjust your objectives as circumstances change. The crucial aspect is to have a plan in place to navigate the real estate market with confidence. 3. Understanding different types of real estate. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal, but it offers various types of opportunities. This encompasses residential properties, commercial spaces, industrial sites and even raw land. Residential properties, including homes and apartments, are typically acquired for personal use or as rental properties, providing a steady rental income and potential for long-term appreciation. On the other hand, commercial properties like office buildings, retail spaces and warehouses offer high rental income but often entail longer leases and more complex management. Industrial real estate, comprising factories and distribution centers, has gained prominence in the e-commerce age, while raw land presents a blank canvas for future development. Grasping the nuances of these diverse real estate types is essential for making well-informed investment decisions. 4. Conducting market research. Before investing, it's essential to familiarize yourself with info. Market research involves understanding local and regional real estate, identifying promising locations, uncovering trends and demand. This includes considering aspects such as population growth in the area, the employment rate and potential developments. These insights will help you make better decisions and recognize opportunities. Market analysis, on the other hand, focuses on the nitty-gritty details, including property prices, rental rates and the competition. It's like a Sherlock Holmes-style investigation to uncover all the hidden clues and factors that could affect your investment. The more you know about the market, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment choices. 5. Property selection. Think of it as choosing the right ingredients for a recipe. The better your ingredients, the tastier your meal. When selecting a property, you'll need to decide whether you're interested in residential or commercial real estate, and what specific type of property suits your goals. Residential properties can include single-family homes, apartments or condos, while commercial properties encompass office spaces and more, depending on your strategy and objectives. Now, due diligence comes into play. It's like being a detective, investigating every nook and cranny of the property. Thoroughly inspect the condition, check for any potential issues, and evaluate the neighborhood. Don't forget to research the property's history, including previous owners, maintenance records and any potential red flags. Due diligence also includes understanding the legal aspects, any encumbrances, liens or zoning restrictions that might affect the property's use. 6. Exploring financing options. This is where you'll discover how to navigate the money maze and turn your real estate investment dreams into reality. The most common financing option is a mortgage loan, akin to receiving the key to your dream home. Mortgage lenders provide the funds to purchase the property, and you repay them over time with interest. It's crucial to grasp the terms, interest rates and down payment requirements, which can vary significantly based on your creditworthiness and the lender's policies. Beyond traditional mortgages, alternative financing methods such as owner financing, private money lenders or real estate partnerships are worth exploring, each carrying its own set of terms and conditions. Financing your real estate investment is a pivotal step, and can substantially impact your overall profitability. 7. Real estate investment strategies. These strategies serve as your playbook for success, facilitating the effective pursuit of your financial goals. This comes in different flavors, and the choice hinges on your objectives. One popular approach is the buy and hold strategy, involving the purchase of a property with the intention of renting it out for a steady stream of rental income. This long-term approach is excellent for steadily building wealth over time. On the flip side, there's the fix and flip strategy, where you purchase a property, make strategic improvements, and then sell it at a higher price for a profit, akin to turning a fixer-upper into a golden egg. However, it necessitates a keen eye for property potential and renovation skills. For those desiring a more hands-off approach, real estate investment trusts provide an enticing option, allowing you to invest without owning physical properties. They offer dividends and the potential for capital appreciation, making it an excellent choice for passive investors. Each of these strategies presents its own set of benefits and challenges, and understanding which aligns best with your goals is the key to a successful real estate journey. 8. Risk assessment and mitigation. Real estate investment, like any other endeavor, comes with its fair share of risks, but seasoned investors don't shy away from challenges. Instead, they meet them head-on with careful assessment strategies. Before diving into real estate investment, identifying potential problems is crucial, including market fluctuations, property damage, vacancies or unexpected expenses. Awareness of these risks is essential for making the right decisions. Mitigating risks is akin to building a fortress around your investment. Spreading investments across different properties or geographic locations helps reduce the impact of a downturn in one area on your entire portfolio. Insurance, a vital tool in your risk mitigation toolkit, can protect against unexpected damages with property insurance, and shield you from legal issues with liability insurance. Ensuring you have the right coverage is a game changer. Lastly, a well-thought-out exit strategy serves as another risk mitigation tool. If the market takes an unexpected turn, having a clear plan in place helps minimize losses and preserve your wealth. 9. Build a professional network. You don't have to go it alone. Building a professional network is akin to having a team of experts in your corner, ready to offer guidance and support. Real estate agents and brokers are your frontline allies, assisting in finding properties, negotiating deals and navigating the complex world of real estate transactions. A good agent or broker can be the difference between a smooth deal and a nightmare. Legal and financial advisors should not be underestimated. Their expertise can help you navigate complex contracts, tax implications and financial decisions, serving as a compass in uncharted territory. Property management professionals can also play a vital role, especially if you're not keen on handling the day-to-day tasks of property upkeep and tenant relations. They ensure your investment runs smoothly, keeping your tenants happy and your property well maintained. Networking with other investors is like having a support group that understands your journey, sharing insights, experiences and potential investment opportunities. Building these connections can be invaluable for your growth as an investor. 10. Property management and maintenance. Think of it as the engine that keeps your investment vehicle running smoothly. Neglecting this part can lead to a bumpy ride. However, with the right approach, you can navigate this with ease. Property management professionals are your partners in ensuring your investment success, whether you have a single property or a portfolio. These experts handle the daily operations, including tenant relations, rent collection and property maintenance, functioning like a well-oiled machine working on your behalf. Maintenance is the heartbeat of your property, ensuring the comfort and safety of your tenants while preserving the value of your investment, from fixing leaky faucets to managing major repairs. Tenant satisfaction is the name of the game in property management, as happy tenants are more likely to stay longer and take better care of your property, resulting in a win-win situation. Effective tenant relations are a key component of property management. Budgeting and financial management are also part of the property management package, ensuring efficient financial planning that optimizes profitability, not just collecting rent but also maximizing returns. 11. Real estate market cycles and timing. Timing is everything in the world of real estate investment, and understanding market cycles can be your secret weapon. Real estate, like most things in life, goes through cycles, including phases of growth, stability, decline, and recovery. Successful investors recognize these cycles and make strategic decisions based on them. The buy low, sell high mantra is at the core of market timing. Understanding when to enter the market and when to exit can significantly impact your returns. In downturns, you might find excellent buying opportunities, while during upswings, selling at the right moment can maximize your profits. Market research and analysis are your tools for gauging these cycles. Keeping an eye on economic indicators, interest rates, and local developments is crucial as they act as your compass, guiding you through the ever-changing landscape of real estate. 12. Compound returns for wealth. Often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world by Albert Einstein, are a powerful wealth-building tool. It's like a snowball effect, where your initial investment generates returns that accumulate over time, leading to exponential growth. Real estate is an ideal playground for compounding because it involves property appreciation and rental income, both reinvested to expand your portfolio. The longer you stay in the game, the more significant the impact of compounding, setting real estate apart as a long-term wealth-building strategy. Creating wealth through real estate investment is a journey filled with opportunities and potential for long-term financial security. Understanding the importance of it, setting clear financial goals and exploring different property types are just the initial steps in this endeavor. As you navigate the market, manage risks wisely, build a professional network and prioritize property maintenance, you'll find yourself well on the path to wealth creation. Leveraging the power of compound returns for long-term financial growth is the ultimate goal. Real estate investment isn't just about owning properties. It's about making the best decisions, seizing opportunities and allowing your wealth to grow over time. With patience, dedication and ongoing education, this investment can become a cornerstone of your financial success and a source of lasting prosperity. So dive in, stay informed, and let your real estate investments pave the way to your wealth-building dreams.